I'm going to quickly show you how to query the Alexa TopSites API. There's probably better ways of doing this, but this is pretty simple and easy. So first thing you want to do is go on the AWS Alexa TopSites website, so this, and go on Get Started. From here just click the top link to your AWS IAM Management Console. So I'm already logged in and you should already have an AWS account. So you want to go on to Users, Add User. You can name it wherever you want. Give it programmatic access. Next, permissions. Attach an existing policy. Create policy. You'll open a new link and you want to click on JSON. Now if you go back to our first link, if you go down, you'll see a sample IAM policy. So just copy this and paste it. Review policy. You can call it whatever you want and create the policy. Once it's been created, you can close this tab and go back to the previous one and just refresh. Look for Alexa, the policy you just created. So we just created this. Review and create user. Now from here we want to copy our access key. Copy into a notepad. Access key and our secret key. There we go, and we can close that. Now if you go back to that first link, we could download one of the code examples. I actually downloaded the Java example, which I've got up over here. Now by default, if you use this code example and you use one of your country codes, it won't actually work properly. It'll just return global results instead of country specific. So I just added a small portion of code. So after number to return, I just added country code and then the variable country code, so that when you're actually querying it with the country code, it'll actually give you results for that specific country. All you want to, I'll actually include that in the description, the Java file. So what you want to do is you want to download that file. So in our case that would be, it'd be this. So if you copy this, go to your root directory and you just want to create a new folder here. You can name anything, so I'm just going to name it Java compile. Just paste it here, and the first thing you want to do is you want to edit it a little bit. So if you look inside the code, what you should look out for is number to return and start number. So the start number is basically the rank it should return, or should start off with to return. So if I enter rank 1 or start number 1, it'll return the website rank number 1, and since my number to return is 10, it basically means it'll return the top 10 websites. So if I change that to 15, it'll be top 15. If you just save this, and then your code's basically ready, we need to compile it. So what you want to do is you want to download the Java JDK, so the development kit, and for me it's just for Windows, so accept. You download it and you basically just install it. I've already done it, and then what you want to do is you want to set the environment variable. So first thing you want to do is actually locate your installation. So it should be in your C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Now what you're looking for is Javac, so that's what you're looking for. So all you need to actually do is copy this address, go into advanced settings, environment variables, and what we're actually looking for is path. So actually what we'll do is system variables, path, And we can also do it under user variables. I don't think it really matters. So new, let's copy paste that. Okay. Okay, that. Right. Once that's done, just open a command prompt, and what we want to do is we want to point it to the folder we just created. So in my case, it's Java compile folder in the root directory. So there we go. And now what you want to do is you want to type in java topsites.java, and that's it. So long as it doesn't return anything, it just means it's compiled it. So if you look here, we've got a .class file. Now when you query it, or the way to use this from the command prompt is using something like this. So the way we're going to change this is you have Java TopSites, and we're going to replace this access key ID with our access key. We're going to replace the secret access key with our secret key, and we're going to replace country code with the country for which we want our ranks. So for me that'd be GB. If it was China, it'd be CN. So if I just try GB and just enter all of that in the command prompt, press enter, and you should get something like this in an XML format. So all I'm going to do is just copy it. So Control A, Control C, copied, open a new notepad, paste it, and you'll see something like this. Now if you look through it and it says country code GB or country name United Kingdom, it means it's specific to that country. So rank 1 google.co.uk, and you can see the global rank 27, rank 2 youtube.com, global rank is 2 as well, rank 3 google.com, and so forth. And what you'll see is it's actually returned 15 ranks, because in our code we specified that the number of URLs to return should be 15, or the number of ranks it should return is 15. So that's basically how you use the Alexa TopSites API. Yeah.